Hey, wait a minute.
Red, don't be nosy.
What's going on here? You, on the couch. What are you eating?
They look like M&M's.
Dude, what the f is that, bro? Bro, he's cheating. What the Hey, bro. What are you doing, bro? What's going on? Bro, are you trying to, what are you doing right now? Whoa, bro, what are you doing right now? What the f Are you having to my M&M? Is that what's going on? Is that what I'm seeing? Are you trying to give him sloppy toppy? Look at his face. Oh, he has the tongue out. That's the best idea. Enjoy that. Today is National, today's National what, Edgar? What is it? National what?
I don't know. Don't bring a backpack day?
Yeah, National Don't Bring a Backpack Day. And go around, get people's reactions, you know? Make sure to absolutely domesticate violence and murder the like button and subscribe button. Guys, today is Bring Anything But a Backpack Day at school. And John decided to bring this. I mean, look at this. Hold on.
I question all reality.
He said I question all reality.
Bro, I look like Google Flies.
What? Yo. Bro, this shit's lit, bro. Bro, what?
What the fuck?
Everybody's staring at you, bro. Yes, sir. Let's go. There's drugs. I'm just kidding. No. Alright, let's go. I'll get it. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Dude, what the hell? Oh, this is how it's gonna be when we hit 20,000. For real, for real. Yeah, like a grand prize. Let's go, let's go. Here we go, bro. Oh no, bro. Let's go over here. Drugs. I mean. Hey, yo. Let's go. Wow, this is crazy. Are we on lunch, bro? Where should we go? I want to hear what's your take about this?
Magnificent. Oui.
Whoa! This site started in a girl's DM.
Nice throw.
What is that? This mother. These people are wild. They're filming you and taking pictures of you, bro. John, this is the weirdest thing I've seen. Look at behind you. Look at behind you. Look at behind you. Oh, what? Bro. Bro.
Raise it up, raise it up, raise it up. Get the M&M.
Alright.
He's taking a video. Let's go to him, let's go to him, let's go to him. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, somebody has a piñata. Yo, someone has a piñata. Yo, where'd he go?
So funny. Hey. What's your computer? Oh yeah, let me go wait for my truck real quick. I'm gonna bomb this out the hill. Yeah, I need a bomb. Turn, man. I'm already gonna get fucked up.
What'd you just say?
I said, you want to touch my M&M?
Oh, hell yeah. I mean, no.
Hey, you gotta give me money though. You gotta give me $5.
She just straight jacked you. We're really exposing this girl here, bro. For real, bro.
Hey, what the fuck, Harvey?
I stole that shit from Chuck E. Cheese. Yes, sir. You already know the
Y'all be having, you don't got some M&M backpack? Okay, John. Okay, John. Okay, John.
What's your name?
Martin McFly Williams.
And what are you about to do?
Alright, guys. Let's ask Fernando if I can be part of his gang now. His roller gang. Fernando, quick question. Can I be a part of your roller gang now since I have wheels?
Oh, sure.
Yo, roll on it, roll on it. Shut up. Gracias, Fernando. Dang. And it's a backpack. Gracias, Fernando.
I'm getting there.
Dang. And it's a backpack.
Absolutely. I'm just kidding. Yeah. So, how is the nice sunny weather and all that, you know?
I think it's about carrot. It's about carrot.
I think it's a carrot. Carrot, but I don't know about carrots. I don't know nothing about that.
You dig a 6-foot hole. How deep is that hole?
It's about like 20 feet.
Fucking, why are you doing that?
Bing bang.